If you are in Temecula and water shows up from a slab leak, upstairs bathroom, or broken toilet drain, do not treat it like a quick patch. The important part is figuring out where the water traveled before everything gets covered back up. PL Builders has documented Temecula slab leak damage, bathroom drain damage, contents protection, packout, and reconstruction planning. One job affected flooring, walls, baseboards, bathroom areas, and room transitions. Another started at an upstairs toilet drain and reached the bathroom subfloor ceiling and walls below. We also responded to a Temecula church water line burst where timing and safety mattered right away. That is why we take photos, check moisture, protect contents, document the repair path, and plan the rebuild before closing things up. If you want one local contractor to help you understand the damage and the repair path in Temecula, call PL Builders. The number is 951-692-7688.